Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to backup QuickBooks Desktop, full guide. Open QuickBooks, choose File, then Backup Company, and select Create Local Backup to start. Pick a secure destination like an external drive or cloud-synced folder, and label backups with date and time. Always run a test restore to confirm the backup works and enable automatic reminders so you never miss regular backups. In this video, I will explain how to backup QuickBooks Desktop, full guide. Decide between local backup for speed and cloud copy for off-site redundancy, and choose a trusted cloud provider if needed. Name files with company, date, and time to avoid confusion, and rotate external drives periodically to reduce wear. Review retention policies so you keep enough history without wasting storage, and set reminders to follow your backup schedule consistently. In this video, I will explain how to backup QuickBooks Desktop, full guide. Quick recommendation: if this guide is useful, please subscribe and like to help the channel grow and reach others. Also, on another note, I love these darn tough socks for long workdays. Life's too short for cheap socks, and they come with a lifetime warranty, which feels like a small business essential. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to backup QuickBooks Desktop, full guide. After creating a backup, perform a test restore to a safe location to ensure integrity and accessibility. Use QuickBooks Verify data to check for corruption and rebuild data if issues appear. Then document the successful restore, including file name and timestamp. Regular verification builds confidence in your process and prevents surprises during critical recovery situations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.